Hi everyone, welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete your AliExpress account. Now to begin the process, open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop. Click open a new tab and then on the search bar you type in delete AliExpress account and press enter. This will show you the search result for the keyword, and here you need to scroll down and click on this link over here. Click that. Now before you delete your account, you will have to go through the certain step and the process. So here you need to type in the email address or the member ID. Type in your account details. Below you need to type in the deactivate my account, so you can just copy this over here and paste it over here. Release my account at the same time. Click on yes over here. Please tell us your reason for wanting to deactivate your account. You need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your account. Click on that circle and then click on deactivate my account. Are you sure you want to do this? Click on OK. And with that, the deactivation process is completed and it will be deactivated after 24 hours. So this is how you can delete your AliExpress account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.